above and beyond in this one. He's our top player of the game.
6 strong innings, Matt. I was a little surprised they pulled him so soon, but nonetheless, the bullpen did its job and got him the victory. Pretty nice accomplishment for him right there. His first major league save, and I'm sure his club's hoping this will be the first of many to come.